Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to calculate the future value of an investment using the data table feature in Microsoft Excel. Excel is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you with all kinds of financial calculations, and this is one of them. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Excel to calculate the future value of an investment, which can help you make better decisions about your finances. So without any further ado, let me show you how you can do that. Let us take an example where we want to calculate the retirement fund. So take for example, every month I am ready to invest 200 rupees for a period of 20 years at an annual interest rate of 4% per annum. So now I want to find out what would be the future value of such an investment. So in that case, we'd use a formula called as equal to FV, means future value. Then I give open parenthesis. Now it is asking me what is the interest rate. Now remember, this interest rate is for the whole year, but what it is asking me is the interest rate per period. Hence, we will divide this by 12, comma. The second parameter is how many periods are you going to make the investment. So it is not only 20 years, but it is 20 years multiplied by 20. Those many times I will be doing the investment, comma. And the third parameter is how much is the amount you want to make an investment. Now that investment is going to go away from you initially, hence I have been given it with the help of a negative sign. The other two parameters, PB and type, are optional. So I'm just closing the bracket and I'm hitting enter, and it tells me that the future value would be 73,354.93. Now let's take for example, I want to see the future value of my same investment but at varying interest rates. So in that case, what you have to do? You create a column in which you write down the varying interest rates. And then on the top over here, we just type equal to and click on this cell which is containing the formula. Then you will hit enter. Now you're getting this data because I have already applied a kind of data table, but in your case, it would look like this. So this is the column where you would be having the interest rate, and this is where you have just copied the formula by typing equal to and clicking on this cell. Now, in order to get the result, what you would be doing is you would be first highlighting this entire data, including the cell containing the formula. Once you have highlighted the data, then from the menu you would select data and you would go into the what if analysis tools, and there you would select data table. Now in data table, it is asking me what is your column input cell. So in our case, the column input cell is this, that is the interest rate. Just click on OK and you will get the future value of investment. So the investment amount is the same, the period is the same, but the interests are different. And you can see how the amount would mature after 20 years. You can check it for 4%, it should be 73,354.93, and here you can get the same result. Now we'll see another example. In the second example, I want varying interest rate and investment for varying periods, like 4 years, 8 years, 12 years, and so on. So how do we achieve that? So in order to do that, create a table in which on the left side you write down the varying interest rates, and on the top you write down the years which you want to invest. Then at the junction of the table, just type equal to and click on the cell containing the formula and hit enter. After that, you highlight the entire table including the cell containing the formula this way. Once you have done that, again click on data, go into what if analysis and select data table. Now it is asking me what is the column input cell, so it is the interest rate, and what is the row input cell, it is the number of years. I would click on OK and I would instantly get my table over here. So you can check out 4% and 20 as the number of years. It should be this amount 73,354.93, which is the same, and that is correct. So now you got a table with varying interest rate and varying number of years for which the investment is being made. Now friends, there is a small point which you have to keep in mind. Some of you might not get these results and it might show you the same figure 73,354.93 everywhere. And this could happen in the following scenario. You have to click on formulas and you have to click on calculation options, and if you have selected this option automatic except for data table, then at times when you give the formula and select data table, it would not do the calculations automatically. So if you want that the calculations should happen automatically, ensure that you are in the formulas. In formulas, you are into calculation options and you select automatic. This would ensure that all the calculations happen automatically. So any changes you make over here, take for example, I type 4.1%, it will instantly reflect in the results over here. So any number you can type and you're getting the result instantly, and that is because the calculations are automated. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.
Please like, share and subscribe to iMind Training for more interesting videos.